Are you currently having problems with not being able to use CapCut templates and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you step by step how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do actually, and this is might be a bit surprising by the way, but you need to firstly close your CapCut app, and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app. Now you're going to scroll down in here and you're going to click where it says general. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So scroll down a little bit again and click on storage. And here, as you can see, it's just going to take a couple of seconds for this page right here to completely load. And when it has completely loaded, we're going to scroll down and then we're going to click on the CapCut app, because in there, we're going to be able to actually fix this specific bug. At least it worked for me, so I think it's going to work for you as well. So we're just going to scroll down now and find CapCut. So click on the CapCut app after you found it, then click on upload app and then upload app once again, as you can see, and it's just going to load here. And then we're going to click on the blue button here once again, as you can see, and I'm just going to click right here, as you can see. So basically what will happen now is that you will now automatically auto-update your CapCut app to the latest version, and what that means is that it's going to fix a lot of bugs that was in the previous version. So do this and wait for it to completely, as you can see, completely like update to the latest version. Go back into your CapCut app after it's done, and I hope that this will now fix this issue for you.